Good morning. Good morning and welcome to the deck of the Swamp Duck. I know I said I wasn't going to do any more videos about Chinese diesel heaters, and that's true, except I just need to point out that I have now purchased a different filter. I've got a proper metal one and glass, so that's the only thing I'm going to just do. I'm just going to fit that. It didn't cost very much. I think it's about £7 or £8. So this is the plastic filter that I've just taken out, and this is the metal and glass one which I'm going to put in. They're about the same size, but this just looks a whole lot more substantial than that one. So there we are, then I've fitted the new fuel filter. Okay. So I'm really hoping that these mooring posts that I've just put in will help me to launch the boat, and also to, when I come back, it means that I can throw a rope around them without having to jump off to make a giant leap of faith. This time last year, one of the Facebook boating groups that I'm a member of organised a competition to decorate your boat for Christmas, and I chose to decorate the Swamp Duck using natural materials that I found on the towpath. So I thought I would do the same thing this year, as the Swamp Duck is now based in beautiful countryside on the Ashby Canal. So the first thing I'm going to do is make some little parcels of twigs. Make this as rustic as possible, so I thought I'd just use some plain old parcel string. Some raffia would be quite good as well. So there's a couple of those. So then it's just a matter of taking a length of the holly and a length of the ivy and just twining one around the other. I tried to collect as much holly as I could with berries on it, but even though we've got 22 acres of woodland, there's very little with berries on this year. So I think that's supposed to be a sign that we're not having snow. So then I'm going to add the little parcels of twigs, and then maybe a couple of the painted pine cones and some ribbon, and then I just need to make 6 of these, and that will cover the whole of the pulpit rail of the swamp duck. So there we are, complete with the ribbon, and I think 6 of those on the front of the pulpit rail will look very effective once again.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell the Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la.
On the Sunday morning of the 29th of November, this urgent warning went out on the Ashby Canal Association's Facebook page, telling us that there was a major problem with the canal. So I very quickly contacted my friends on the mooring, who told me that when they woke in the morning, their narrowboat was very much on the lean. So they very kindly checked my boat and made sure that the ropes were loose enough to cope with the drop in the water level. So a big thank you for them for attending to that for me. So this is what had happened.
Massive sinkhole drained away hundreds of thousands of gallons of water. Only the quick action of volunteers actually prevented a 40-mile stretch of the Ashby Canal in Leicestershire from being affected. Mike O'Sullivan has this report.
High and dry and 4 other boats in the shallows on a quarter-mile stretch of the Ashby Canal at Snareston in Leicestershire. It's the result of a huge sinkhole, draining hundreds of thousands of gallons, just like pulling a bath plug. Volunteers and others raced to put in a series of planks, equipment that's always on hand, across the wharf yesterday morning to stem the flow.
So it's 3 days after the breach that happened at the top end of the Ashby Canal, and so much water was lost. When I spoke to my friends here on the mooring on the Sunday morning, the water level had gone down at least 4 or 5 inches, but as you can see, it's now restored to its proper level, which is good news for all of us boaters here on the Ashby Canal. So a massive thank you to all those people who very quickly responded and got those planks in. Otherwise I think we would have been in serious trouble down even at this end. So thank you once again to all those people who really put themselves out and saved the day. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please press the subscription button on the right hand side of the screen on your mobile phone or tablet, which is displayed throughout my videos, and please press the bell icon on the channel homepage, and you will be notified by YouTube each time I release a new video. Please feel free to share any of my videos and give a thumbs up and make any comments below, as I do enjoy reading them and I will respond to each and every one of them. So thank you for watching, and do take care.